Hi! In this video, I will show you how to control Google Chrome using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open Google Chrome on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. Keyboard Extension allows you to switch between open tabs and create new ones. You can also move back and forth within an open tab or close it. You have quick access to the home page and page refresh. Or select the URL bar to enter the web address of the desired page manually. Zoom in to the size you want or zoom out if you want to see more. You can always return to the original page size with a one-click. With the down and up buttons in Keyboard Extension, you can browse website content without a keyboard or mouse. And for quick information searches, click the Find in Page button. Improve your interaction with Google Chrome using Keyboard Extension.